Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best wireless tattoo machines for professional and beginner artists. So let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. At number 5. New 2-PC battery tattoo pen wireless power tattoo machine dash. This 2-piece wireless battery tattoo machine is perfect for professionals and beginners alike. It offers high portability and ease of use, making it ideal for intricate tattoo work and makeup procedures. The pen design ensures precision and comfort, whether you're doing body art or permanent makeup. The advantages of this wireless tattoo machine are 2 pens for versatility and convenience, wireless operation for freedom of movement, suitable for both beginners and professionals. The disadvantages of this wireless tattoo machine are battery life may vary with use. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. At number 4. CINRA Professional Wireless Tattoo Machine Pen Dash. The CINRA Professional Wireless Tattoo Machine Pen is equipped with a high-capacity battery and an LCD digital display. Featuring a cordless motor, this pen ensures smooth operation for body art. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to handle during long tattoo sessions, providing both accuracy and performance. The advantages of this wireless tattoo machine are high-capacity battery for extended use, LCD digital display for easy monitoring, cordless motor for smooth operation. The disadvantages of this wireless tattoo machine are LCD screen may be fragile, slightly heavier than other models. At number 3. Wireless PMU Machine Permanent Makeup Dash. Designed for permanent makeup, this wireless PMU machine is perfect for microblading, eyeliner, and lip shading. It's compact, Rotary design delivers precision and comfort, making it a go-to tool for professional artists. The pen gun kit is equipped with all necessary accessories to ensure flawless permanent makeup application. The advantages of this tattoo machine are versatile for different makeup techniques, portable and wireless for ease of use, ideal for both beginner and professional makeup artists. The disadvantages of this tattoo machine are limited to makeup applications. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. At number 2. Dragonhawk X2 Pen Set Wireless Tattoo Machine Dash. The Dragonhawk X2 pen set offers a high-capacity battery and is designed for wireless body art. It comes with all necessary accessories, making it a great choice for beginner tattoo artists. Its pen design ensures flexibility and precision, helping to create clean and detailed tattoos. The advantages of this wireless tattoo machine are high-capacity battery for prolonged use, complete accessory set included, ideal for beginners in tattoo art. The disadvantages of this wireless tattoo machine are limited advanced features, battery may take longer to charge. At number 1. Ambition Soldier Wireless Tattoo Machine Rotary Pen Dash. The Ambition Soldier Tattoo Machine features a 2,400 mAh battery and an LED digital display for monitoring power levels. The rotary design delivers high performance and precision for body art. The portable power pack makes it easy to use on the go, making it a top choice for professional tattoo artists. The advantages of this tattoo machine are large 2,400 mAh battery for extended sessions, LED display for real-time power monitoring, portable power pack for flexibility. The disadvantages of this tattoo machine are heavier due to the large battery.